What's going on YouTube? It's your boy JMO704 and welcome to the last installment of this 2-Minute Tuesday. And on this 2-Minute Tuesday series, I've been talking about why your beard is in the struggle. So let's jump into reason number 5 as to why your beard is out here struggling. So reason number 5 is your genetics. So look at both sides of your family. Do both sides of your family have people that really grow hair, or is everybody just hairless? Let's not complicate it, but that still is no excuse for you to do the things that you need to do in order to make sure that you have a healthy beard. So making sure that you have a proper nighttime and morning routine. Make sure you check out my latest video, and also, just practicing simple things, being active, eating clean, drinking water. All of those things contribute to you having a healthy beard. So wanted to keep this one short and sweet. If you guys have any ideas for my next 2-Minute Tuesday series, man, hey, drop them down in the comments and I will put that out for y'all. So into the next video, hey man, if there's anything that you ever want to accomplish in life, remember that it requires patience, consistency, and more importantly, it don't happen overnight. See y'all on the next video. Peace.